Welcome to the Explainer. Today we are going to unravel a visual mystery that's, well, hiding in plain sight on two really important flags.
Alright, let's just jump right in. So, take a look at these two flags. On your left, you've got the flag of Shan State. That's one of Myanmar's biggest ethnic states. And on the right, you see the national flag of Myanmar. I mean, you can see it right away, the color scheme. Yellow, green, and red stripes with that white symbol smack dab in the middle. It's almost identical.
So, the big question is, why do they look so similar? And it's a good one. People have actually asked this on forums, like on PanTip, wondering, hey, is this just a massive coincidence, or is there something deeper going on here? To get to the bottom of it, we've really got to dig into the story behind each of these flags.
Okay, first up, let's focus on the flag on the left, the Shan State flag. Now, what's interesting is that this one is way older than Myanmar's current national flag. So what's its story? So, the Shan flag? It was officially adopted way back on February 12, 1947. And this date is super important. It wasn't just some random day on the calendar. Nope. This was the exact day the historic Panglong Agreement was signed. This was a huge deal. A truly pivotal moment where ethnic leaders, including the Shan, agreed to join the Union of Burma, which really paved the way for the country's independence from the British.
All right, so let's break down what the colors officially mean. The yellow, that's for Buddhism, which is the faith of most of the Shan people. The green, that makes sense. It represents all the rich, fertile farmland. And the red, well, that's for the bravery of the Shan people.
Now, what about that white circle in the middle? Officially, they say it's the moon. And it's meant to symbolize a pure and peaceful way of life. You know, the hope for stability. It's a really beautiful idea, for sure. But just hang on to that thought about the moon. Trust me, it's going to become very important a little later. Okay, let's switch gears now and look at the national flag of Myanmar. We'll see how its story stacks up. And right off the bat, its story is much, much more recent. And its design? Yeah, it's changed quite a bit over the years.
Get this. The current flag of Myanmar, the one we see today, was only adopted on October 21, 2010. That was just before a major general election. So we're talking, what, more than 60 years after the Shan flag was created. And if you look at the flag they used right before this one, the socialist-era flag from 1974, it looked totally different. I mean, no resemblance at all, which just makes the sudden similarity in 2010 all the more striking, don't you think?
So if we put their official meanings side by side, yeah, you see some overlap. Both flags use red for courage, green for the land's prosperity, that kind of thing. But the core symbols and some of the other meanings, they're different. For the Myanmar flag, the yellow stands for unity, and its white symbol isn't a moon, it's a star, which represents the enduring unity of the union.
So, okay, if you just look at the official stories, it really seems like the similar colors are just a coincidence. Case closed, right? But, come on. When things line up this perfectly in history and culture, you've just got to wonder if there's a deeper story. And let me tell you, in this case, there absolutely is.
All right, let's really get into the weeds here, because this is where a simple flag turns into a total masterclass in hidden symbolism. And the key, the entire key to unlocking this whole thing, is that white circle on the Shan flag.
So remember, the official story says the white circle is the moon, a symbol of peace. But what if it's also a really clever coded reference to something else entirely? A symbol that is deeply, powerfully, and uniquely Shan.
To crack this code, we need to dive into something fascinating: traditional Burmese and Shan astrology. Now, in this system, every day of the week is linked to a specific animal and a specific ethnicity. So take a look at Monday. The animal for Monday is the tiger, and the people associated with Monday, the Shan.
And what's the celestial body that rules over Monday? It's the moon. So this creates this incredible, brilliant symbolic chain. You following this? The moon on the flag stands for Monday, Monday stands for the tiger, and the tiger stands for the Shan people. So that moon isn't just a moon. It's a clever stand-in, a symbol for their true cultural emblem, the tiger.
And we even have historical proof that the tiger has always been central to Shan identity. I mean, just look at this. This is an earlier Shan flag from the 1940s. There's no hiding the symbolism there, is there? That is a bold tiger head, right there, front and center.
And this powerful tiger symbol, it's not just some relic of the past.
It is absolutely alive and well today. It's used by political parties like the one literally nicknamed the White Tiger Party, and by cultural groups. You can see it right here on this modern scout scarf. The tiger is just an instantly recognizable shorthand that says, loud and clear, "We are Shan."
Okay, so let's bring all these pieces of the puzzle together and finally get our answer about these two flags.
So here's the bottom line. The shared colors, the yellow, green, and red stripes, that's probably just a coincidence, a fluke of design. But the flags themselves are fundamentally different in what they're saying. The 2010 Myanmar flag is straightforward. It uses a star for national unity. The 1947 Shan flag, though, man, it's operating on two whole different levels. Officially, it's a moon for peace, but culturally, secretly, it's using that moon as this brilliant, hidden code for the tiger, the true ancestral symbol of the Shan people.
And you really can't overstate how important the tiger is. It's not just some cool symbol. For the Shan, it's literally an ancestor. There are legends that say the Thai people are of the tiger's lineage. I mean, wow. That deep, deep connection is exactly why you see these massive, powerful statues, like this one, guarding the Shan State Army's headquarters. It's a declaration of identity, of history, and of strength.
So what started as a simple question, right? Why do these flags look alike? It's ended up revealing this incredible story of history, astrology, and coded identity. It's just such a powerful reminder that the symbols we see all around us every single day, things like flags, they can hold entire worlds of meaning, just waiting for someone to peel back the layers and explain them. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other stories are hiding right there in plain sight?